Hi, Cheryl here today. I want to give away from Miss Karen, and I'm going to link her channel down below, and I'm going to show you what I got. Stay tuned. Welcome back. It's Cheryl here today. If you're new to my channel, I truly appreciate it, and if you would subscribe, and if you're one of my regular subscribers, I truly appreciate you watching my videos. And today I want to give away, and it says congrats, thank you, and she sent a little card, and it says let the beauty of the Lord our God be upon us. And it's from Karen Deneen. Congratulations on winning my 700 subscriber giveaway, and thank you so much for your support. Enjoy. And so I thought, isn't that a pretty card? Thank you, Karen. I appreciate it. And what I won is these taco plates. It's a 4-piece set. It's by Crofton. It fits regular or jumbo shells. Includes sections for condiments such as rice and beans. So there you go. And I can't wait, because I think these are great to have. Look, see how it displays the tacos, and you can put everything in it. So it comes in a yellow, red, green, and orange. So thank you, Karen. I was so excited to win this. Yay! All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.